The Spectrum of Science series, Episode 5, Geology, presented by ScholarLink Online Tutors. Welcome back to the Science Spectrum, where we explore the incredible fields of science. Today, we are going to dig deep, literally, into the fascinating world of geology. What is meant by geology? So we'll have a brief introduction. Not brief, we can say a detailed introduction of geology in today's episode. Geology is the study of Earth, its material, and the processes that shape our planet. From towering mountains and deep ocean trenches to the very ground beneath our feet, geology helps us understand the Earth's history in detail. Geology is more than just the study of rocks. It's about understanding the structure of our planet, the forces that are enabled, and their acting. Geologists investigate everything from the formation of continents to the causes of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. They also explore natural resources like minerals, oil, and groundwater, which are essential to the modern society. A lot of importance and uses of these materials have been discovered. As we know that the Earth is a dynamic system, constantly changing through processes like erosion, plate tectonics, and volcanic activity. By studying these processes, geologists gain insight into the past climates, the evolution of life. Hence, to understand geology, we need to start from the inside out. The Earth is composed of several layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The crust is the thin outermost layer where we live. Beneath it lies the mantle, a thick layer of hot, semi-solid rock that moves slowly over the time. Yes, this is an extremely hot layer of water. At the center of the Earth is the core, which is divided into a solid inner core and a liquid outer core, made primarily of iron and nickel. Iron and nickel are basically the minerals that are found most vastly in the crust. The movement of the mantle is responsible for the shifting of tectonic plates, the large pieces of the Earth's crust. This movement causes many geological phenomena such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and much more. So understanding these processes is crucial for predicting natural disasters and mitigating their impacts. And nowadays, a lot of efforts are being proved and they're being worked just to manage the effects of these kind of natural disasters. Rocks and minerals are the basic building blocks of the Earth's crust. There are three main types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks form from cooling magma or lava and all over the world. Minerals, on the other hand, are naturally occurring inorganic substances with a specific chemical composition and crystalline structure. Common minerals include quartz, feldspar, and mica. Geologists study rock and minerals not only to understand the Earth's history, but also to develop its needs. One of the key concepts in geology is the rock cycle, a continuous cycle. For example, an igneous rock like basalt can be weathered and eroded into tiny particles, which then accumulate and compact into other forms. The rock cycle illustrates the dynamic nature of the Earth's crust and the constant recycling of materials. It also highlights the incredible timescales over which geological processes operate, often spanning millions or even billions of years. The Earth's conditions are also checked, and there is a proper field of study regarding how the Earth is developed. Plate tectonics is the theory that explains how the Earth's lithosphere, the rigid outer shell, is divided into tectonic plates that move over the more fluid mantle. This movement is responsible for creating many of the Earth's features, such as mountain ranges, ocean basin, and the most important volcanic eruptions. When these plates collide, they can form mountains or trigger earthquakes. When they pull apart, magma can rise to create new ocean crusts. And when they slide past each other, they can cause powerful earthquakes. Geologists use the concept of geological time to understand the vast history of the Earth. This time scale spans billions of years and is divided into eons, eras, periods, and epochs. By studying the record of rock, geologists can reconstruct the history of our planet. The study of geological time allows us to see Earth's history as a complex, interconnected story where continents drift, climates changes, and life evolves. It reminds us that the Earth is constantly changing and that the past holds important clues for our future. Geology is not just about rocks and minerals, it's about understanding the Earth as a dynamic, living planet. It tells the story of our world from its fiery beginnings to the rich diversity of life we see today, in the present era. There is a diverse knowledge about geology. So join us next time on Science Spectrum as we continue our journey through the wonders of science. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious about the world around you and undoubtedly the Earth on which you live. Stay tuned for more on Scholarlink online tutors. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe our channel for future updates.